Eat, Sleep, Bass, Repeat, and I am with, sir, your name?
Dennis Lewis, Sober Scum.
All right, Dennis, and what kind of vehicle are we sitting in right now?
2008 Scion XD.
Okay, and I see a wall behind us. What is in there?
It's a flat wall, center port, 4 EVL 15s, SKAR audio, wired at half ohm.
Okay, and what is powering them?
I got a Taramps bass 8K, wired to half ohm, and I got 120 amp hours of Yin-Long lithium. Awesome.
And I saw that you brought home some trophies today. What kind of SPL did you hit?
I did a 155.6, and then sealed, I forget, it was like a 50.1.
All right, so one and 2 trophies. That's awesome, man. So congratulations on that.
Thank you.
And we're gonna do a little demo. It's my first time. I've wanted to sit in this car for like months. So finally we're gonna make this happen. So all right, he's gonna pick his song and we're gonna go.
Signing off. Running squad hallway all day. It's all some loony shit.
So I'm gonna ask you, is this all your install?
Yeah, so this install took me 7 months.
Wow.
So it took me longer to get all this stuff together.
Right.
I started with one sub and I worked my way up, put stuff up whenever I could afford it, you know?
Right. Yeah, no,
And then,
one piece at a time.
yeah,
Like the Johnny
so
Cash song.
I'm getting ready to upgrade after the Mecca season's over.
Okay.
So I got 4 DS18 Hooligan 15s.
Ooh.
So I have 2 8Ks, got some more lithium, I got all new door speakers.
So you already have everything.
Yeah, I got 2 rolls of wire. I'm going all DS18.
Okay, so basically this is just a completion of this season in this class with the system the way it is.
Yeah.
Try to finalize, get the points and everything, and then start the next season with a new build.
This is my first time ever competing.
That's awesome.
Thank you.
Yeah, and I think
this is only like to be honest with you, because I do little installs on the side.
yeah.
This is the biggest thing I've ever built, and this is maybe the 12th thing I've built.
Okay, and I think I was at the show, and maybe it was at Tune Time, and that was the first time you ever competed.
Yeah.
And then I was like, dude, you need to like join the organization so that they can keep your points.
Yeah, I did. Yeah.
So, dude,
yeah,
rock
killer,
on,
dude.
man.
It's fun, bro. I enjoy it. And luckily, I got a wife that's my biggest cheerleader. So
that's important, man. I don't know about all you out there that have like challenges with the family, with doing sound, but having a significant other, wife, girlfriend, or family member that's got your back, man, that is a blessing. And anytime I meet somebody that's got that kind of support network, I'm like, man, wow,
yeah, she's not. She likes it, but she's not like a big fan. And she went to the first show I went to before I started competing. She liked it. She just didn't want to
hang out.
She didn't want me to have to leave early for her, you know.
Yes.
But now she's just at a point where she doesn't want to know how much it costs. So,
that's funny, man.
So, she's amazing, though.
So what I'll say about the sound of this system I like is the concussiveness of the bass. So when you get that first impact and then the sustain, it's tight, but it's not so tight that it's painful. So I'm pretty sure we were in like the early 150s right there, but I was not experiencing any fatigue. Nice. So to me, I feel like I'm not getting a lot of distortion out of the subs. No. Everything is really clean, and that's a heck of an accomplishment. So if you say this is like your 12th install and already pulling down the trophies, and it sounds this good, then I will say you got some like natural talent going on here. So, and man, check out these door pods.
Those are my first ones.
Wow. He says that's the first time he's ever built door pods. So
first time I've ever used fiberglass.
Wow.
I'm always building stuff, dude.
Dude, that's
So-
awesome. Well, keep up the constructive creativity, and yeah, man, I love it.
Let's
love
do
it.
one more.
All right, let's take it one more. Alice in Chains. All right.
I'll go straight to the bass drop.
Okay. Dude, thanks,
My
man.
favorite bass drop, dude.
I appreciate it. Lane Staley never sounded so good.